Well, here we are. We're back at our motor, our field, and we've cut the wire here. Here's the wire that went there. And we've cut the wire that went here to the brush connection. And we used a little sandpaper here to sand these wires to get them so they're kind of shiny. And then we cut this little wire here, which we're going to put in there, but we're going to try, and first of all, just going to tin it, put a little bit of solder on this, and so it makes it easier. Just put a little. Yeah. So there. You see how the solder flowed into that? It's shiny, and we're going to do a little bit right here too. Get a little solder in the end of these wires. So they'll solder easy when we get them ready to go. So we're going to go under here. Let's see, we're going to go across here. We're going to go under here. Try to go under there anyway. Well, maybe we'll just go this way first. Solder that. We'll bring that up to the top. Like so. And get these together. And get them to solder together. And let's see if we can do this. Hot. So, hopefully that'll. Come on. Hot. Okay, that's solid. And we're going to go under here, and under here, and up to here, and try to get this to solder. This means, to get this to work, that means that the, yep, that means that the field is separate from the armature from the brushes. So we got to make a separate path to run the brushes now. Meaning we don't want this around the armature. So we have this. Okay, so we have more wire. Maybe we use black for the other part. Okay. Solder this on here. And we need to go from here to here and here to here. So I'm going to try to get this to get some solder on here. Okay. That's good. Now we're going to solder this to this. That's pretty good. Okay. And then we're going to go down to here and try to solder it in there. That's going to be tricky. Okay. Now we want to get that in there somehow. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. We're going to go here. Somehow we're going to get some solder in there. There. We're going to get some more of this too. Alright, now we just got to get this in this little hole here. There. Not beautiful. That's one side. Okay. And we have to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So this is going to put a brush and our brush in the field in parallel. That's the goal right now, to get it in parallel, which means next to each other. Whereas before they were in series, like a string of Christmas lights. Alright, one more connection and we're ready to try it. Put it together then. Let's see. Let's see, we gotta cut it first. Okay, almost there. So we're doing this on the camera, so you can see this kind of progress. We just get a little solder in there and get this in here. Electrically, everything's done. Okay, now we gotta do table's mess. Let's put it together without pinching any wires. The wire's a little long, but it's probably gonna be alright. Let's see here. Alright, so now we have the motor. We have the armature, we have the bearings. We just set this back down in here. It goes this way because the cord comes out this slot here. So let's see how we do getting this situated. That goes in there, but there's something rubbing. Yeah, it's just this. So we're going to have to put this up. We're going to put it up like this, so it's out of the way that way. Yeah, here we go. Okay, now all we have to do is put the brushes in and close it up again and hook up to 12 volts and see if it made a difference. And I know it will. It will make a difference. See if we can do it this way. Yes, there we And put this one in over here. Try it this way first. Okay, we're ready to, almost ready to run. Because these little slots these gadgets go in, so they don't turn. Okay, I'm not gonna screw it together, I'm just gonna clamp it together. In case I want to play with it some more, and you might want to play with it some more too. You can take it apart easier. Okay, here we go. There's 12 volts. Let's get 12 volts here. Let's see if it made a difference putting them in series and parallel. This is 12 volts instead of 24, don't forget. And instead of 120. Oh yeah, there's a lot of power now. See that? Can't hardly stop it. You got two of these, one on each wheel. You could run something with it with a 12 volt battery. That's strong with a belt. That's powerful. So with a little time and a little wire and a little solder and a soldering iron, you can make a powerful 12 volt motor out of a 120 volt motor. These motors are only $9.95 and $9.95 shipping because they weigh 1.5 pounds or almost a pound and a half. The shipping cost anywhere from $7 to $10 for priority mail. So anyway, if it's something you want to take apart and have fun with, just click on the button and order away. If you buy more than one, we got a better deal. The more you buy, the less they are. God bless you. Hope you like this experimentation. This is pretty good. So this is running off a 12 volt battery, basically. This only puts out 5 amps, so it isn't too much for this 5 amp power supply. Amen. God bless. Bye-bye.